Okay, I'm doing another home in my neighborhood. Good to see y'all again. It's Gary. David's not here with me today. He's out doing something. I think we're gonna be hitting the bean field pretty soon. But anyway, I'm doing another rental house, and it's in my neighborhood. It's right here. It's a cute little house. It also is for sale or rent or for lease. Call the number on the sign if you're interested. But I'm gonna get up here and look around a little bit. I was glad to see that there's some shade today. So this isn't gonna be a real lengthy video. I'll show you a couple of the digs. But other than that, I'm gonna just hit the yard and I'll show you what I find. All right, I always like to show you my first dig. First dig right here. It was a 17, 18. Check this out. We got it some kind of old, that's an old penny. But not old enough. It feels like it's kind of not gonna be a wheat. Yeah, see how chewed up it is? Anyway, we'll probably show you a cleaned up version of that later. Back to the front. Well, I had a really good signal, like a 24. And that's what those metallic round things will get you. There may be something else in there. There was a 13 in there too. All right, this got me a good strong 24 signal. So let's see what we might have in here. Let's see what we can see. Whoa, there she is. Now that seemed a little high. 24 or 25 seems kind of high for that. Let's see if we got something else. Oh, I just dropped it. There it is. Yeah, that seems a little high for that. For an old penny? 24, 25? Maybe that's right. Oh well, I was hoping for a spill, but we'll take that. Coint addiction satisfied. Well, I'd say things are going pretty good. As far as finding coins, I just found another coin. Here's another penny. Don't know what the years on any of these are. I hadn't found any silver. I did find one dime. I'll show you in a minute, but I'm not quite ready. Oh, well, the whistler says I am ready to go. So I didn't know I was ready to go, but you know, he does what he does. So anyway, that's going to be a sound signal that we get for our wrap up. So we're going to go up there to yon wall. I didn't show you as good a picture of the home earlier. There's some folks up there working. I didn't know if they wanted to be on the video, but this is a home that's for rent. It's in East Memphis, and it's a nice home. They're working on it a little bit. It is for rent. It's over here in East Memphis, and landlord's real nice, from what I know of him. Seems like a really nice fellow. He was gracious enough to let me hunt this property. So anyway, check this home out. If you're interested, put a call in on the number from the sign. Now let's head over to the wrap-up at yon wall. Okay, so as you know, we do the good, the clad, and the ugly, and we break it up into 3 categories at the end to do our wrap-up with everything in those sections. We don't really have anything good, which is what you would keep and maybe do a little more research on or whatever. It's not a coin. And the clad, it looks like we had today 4 pennies and a dime. Not too bad. We'll have this detector paid for yet. And then the ugly, well, we got an assortment of stuff, and if it's trash, I take it out. I never leave my trash. The old pull tab reared its ugly head. That looks like a piece of some molding off a car or something. Got a couple of beer caps, this old thing, and looks like a terminator for some wire. Just a piece of wood and some canned slaw. That's going to be it for today. As usual, thanks for coming by. See you at the next one. Thanks again to the landlord. Bye. Oh, and as a bonus clip, I wanted to do a plug for a piece of equipment, and it's the GoPro stand. I've been through a few stands I've used. Some are bigger than others, some are sturdier than others. But they're kind of difficult sometimes to carry. They're always in the way and hard to manage. You never know where to put them, but this stand I kind of like. It can be just a handheld deal, like a selfie stick, but as you saw, it can extend out to be a tripod too, and it can be a really short selfie stick too. So I like it. It's by GoPro. I don't remember what I paid for it, but I will try to think to put a link to it in the description below if you want one. They're fairly cheap, and it's sturdy enough to do, you know, just a live dig kind of thing. And it's got this nice extension for a selfie stick, and it already comes with the thing, the terminator on the top of it. It doesn't come off. It's not interchangeable, so you're not going to be putting anything else on it. It's just that and this little steel piece there. So anyway, just wanted to do a plug for that in case anyone's interested. Bye.